Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create glass material in Blender. So first I'm going to add a plane so that you can see it properly. Scale it up, move the cube upwards. Okay, so drag the lamp near the cube, and in the lamp, in the object data properties, just add another 0. Do it 10,000 volts. Okay, so now go to render properties and go to cycles. So let's check it out. Render. So right now it's looking like this. Oh wait, let me do the light to 5,000. Okay, so now click on the cube, go to the materials panel. Now add a new material. Over here, go in the roughness and drag it to 0. Now go into the transmission and drag it upwards to 1. And here you go. This is the light material. You can see it's glass, it's reflecting the light as well. So here you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.